What's up, YouTube? Get my glove on here. Yeah, we got hit with a lot of snow. And I just want to do a follow-up with all the snow we got, as a lot of people got. And driveway's clear. I had to hustle, to get this clear. What's up? What's up? There's a pile of snow for you right there. Just show you around a little bit here. Believe it or not, my homemade HD antenna here is still functioning, even though it's only a little bit above the snow. Still doing what it's made to do. I feel like I'm in Alaska, but glad I'm not. Oh, my trail got... Wow. Snow's gonna get heavy now because the sun's out. It's only 35 degrees, but I got mounds and mounds of snow everywhere. I had to clean off the awning roof and the roof on the home here. There's Frosty peeking out there. Hello, Frosty. Buried in snow. He likes that. But yeah, I mean, this is a crazy snowstorm that we had. Whew, it's cold. The wind is blowing, The old greenhouse here is still doing good. A lot of shoveling I had to do here with the snow blower and shoveling. I had to get over here, shovel all this out to get to the outlet down there. And the water meter. Ooh. It's actually kind of blue looking now. It's like North Pole, man. I know the North Pole's a lot worse. But this was all filled in. This was all filled into here. Waist high, a little above my waist. And I had to get through here. You can see the garden was buried. The sun is making the snow collapse now. Look at the door. It's all the way almost up to the handle on the door over there. It's just crazy storm we had. Believe it or not, there's a grill under here. And I had to clear this path. I already shoveled this whole deck. You can see space here because the deck was up to here with snow all the way up to the window on that door. And I got a shovel today. I got to reshovel the deck area today for emergency exit and get all the snow off that glass table that's there. Talk about winter wonderland. This is it. Wish I was out in Hawaii. Man, what's going on with North Korea really is a bummer, So I came over here, had to make a path. And this is all sunken down now because of the sun. Where my dog could go to the bathroom, back there, do his business. My neighbor had to get the snowblower and go all the way around. I don't know if you see that little indentation all around this house so we could start shoveling the roof by the vents. It's just ridiculous. Now they're saying there's going to be flood warnings down in town. I can't even get in the greenhouse. I have to shovel. I don't feel like shoveling, But this little snowblower got me through it. Definitely need something bigger than this. And then I got this for nothing. Somebody gave this to me, so it definitely came in handy. course, you know, I had to fix it and stuff, but yeah, my quad is buried with all this. Mountain of snow. I can't even get the quad out because it's too much snow, you know. So yeah, I've been really busy. Been shoveling for 3 days now, and I had to shovel my neighbor out down over there. He's an elderly person, so I had to help him out. A little more to do here. Snow is melting and compressing now on top of the Jeep. That was like 3 feet tall up there. And messing with the Jeep, this is going to be another video. I had to remove the computer, which is way back there. It's out of place because I had to solder a couple pins, and I have to do a crankshaft sensor. I have to remove it and put a new one in, and replace this sensor right here, this throttle position sensor. So yeah, I'm gonna order that from eBay. You know, I couldn't even go four-wheeling because it was no start now. No start. Before it started and would stall. So now it's a no start. And the roads finally got cleared today. The bulldozer came in and stockpiled all the snow up off the roads into piles. Now we're getting the winds. We're getting winds. This snow was all the way up to that window because I had to get it out of the driveway. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and just wanted to post a little update because it's winter wonderland. A lot of work doing this snow. Wow. And I hope you don't get snow. It's really windy and cold right now. Thanks for watching.